If you find that you need to unpick your duplicate stitch, there is kind of a pattern to it, and it's important to follow if you want to make sure that you aren't fraying your yarn while you do it. So grab a tapestry needle and let's get to it. So we're going to start on the left. Get your needle under that yarn and pull it through, and then you want to flip over to the back. And there's going to be this little bump, it kind of looks like a purl bump, and pull that out. Flip it back over and move on to the right. Get your needle under that, don't pick up the yarn underneath it. And then you flip it around again, and you see this line kind of going down here. We're going to pick up this top one and pull that one through. And then we start all over again. Start on the left, pick that out, flip it over, see the little purl bump hiding there, pick that out, flip it over, go to the right side, pull, and then see this little horizontal bar, pick that out, and just keep going. Goodbye, duplicate stitch.